Welcome to Two Idiots, Two E-Bikes.
This is going to be lolly. That's a bit too boggy for me.
Two Idiots, Two E-Bikes. It's a channel that me and my good friend Chunk thought about one day, and we did the last video where we popped up St George's Downs and we said, well, let's video it. And the views coming back were shocking. I only wanted to get 50 views. I thought that'd be funny. Little did I know that YouTube is a massive world of people that actually watch the videos, and it's not just people clicking, people are actually watching it. What's to me crazy. I'm just a 6'6" guy with my good friend Chunk going for a bike ride, and you guys shared that with us, and I hope that we can do a few more and you'll join us along the way.
6 foot, overweight and on a push bike.
And introducing my Focus Jam 2 6.8 hardtail. I've had this bike now for just over 3 months. I was fortunate enough to get my bike via the cycle scheme at my work, and since then we've done 1,000 kilometers on this bike. And now myself and my good friend Chunk, we are going to document a few of our silly rides.
If you're going for it, you can go.
Literally the only reason behind this channel is to just keep a record of the stupid antics that me and Chunk get up to. We constantly are messaging saying, should we go down this track, should we go here, should we go there? So this is literally just to keep up to date on where we've been, and maybe have a little look at our Strava times, see how we're doing, see how we're improving, and seeing where the world of e-bikes takes us. So why hardtail? Hardtail for me was the only option. This bike was the even balance. It had a small enough battery to still feel like a normal generic mountain bike, and with the RockShox forks, the Magura brakes and the Shimano motor, it was the only choice for me at the time within my budget. So how much did it cost me? It cost me £2,199 through Rutland Cycling. What was discounted down from 2,599. The main reason due to that was because this is a 2019. So when you are shopping for one of these, just take into account how you are as a rider, whether you're completely new to this. Don't be deterred by your skill set. Learn along the way. I've personally had next to no knowledge of e-bikes. I jumped on it and said, well, let's learn. And we're going to be learning along the way on some of these videos. We're going to be seeing how we do going up some of the trails. We're going to learn about jumps. We're going to be learning about maintaining. And that's what we want to do on Two Idiots, Two E-Bikes. We want to see how we learn, and in 6 months, 3 months even, we want to see how we're improving, how we're developing as riders, and see what we've learned along the way and share it with you. So let me introduce myself. I'm Ben. I'm part of the Two Idiots, Two E-Bikes channel. I am larger than life is one way to describe me. Being a sub 20 stone man, it wasn't easy trying to find an e-bike for me to start on. I was fortunate enough to get it through Rutland Cycles in a great transaction. They've managed to get the bike to me from order within 5 days. I know a lot of people are struggling now getting their bikes delivered to them, and I feel ever so sorry for people who are struggling to get out there on an e-bike, because it is a life-changing experience. For anyone that is thinking about getting an e-bike, stop thinking. Buy one. You're going to be on a waiting list, admittedly. I hear rumours now that the 2021 bikes that are coming out are now looking at late 2022, even some rumours of 2023. So now is the time to go and buy one. Go to your local bike shop, go and have a sit on one, see if you can get a ride on one of the test days, because it is fantastic. I got the e-bike for the fact that back when in my teenage days, I used to think nothing better of going out on a sunny day, going to find a set of stairs and just dropping down, and hoping I didn't hurt myself. finding the biggest hill, finding the muddiest trail, and see where I ended up. Now at 30 years old, I thought to myself, you're getting a bit big, Ben. Time to do something about it. And that's when I looked at the cycle scheme via work, and this bike was available in stock.
We'll have a look at the map up here. That's what it's all about. Get lost, get your bearings, go back the other way.
In the last video, you would have saw quite a lot of the back end of Chunk. He has the bright yellow 6.8, and it wasn't that yellow that day. It got dirty.
Oh my god, that's fucking deeper than it looks. Oh mate. Might have to, yeah, I'm staying in trail for this.
Yeah, I'm in trail, yeah.
So this is what happens when two idiots buy e-bikes and go, fuck it. You're a braver man than me for going through some of them. Why would you do that?